What's up, guys? I have a cleaning video for you today. I really needed to wash my YXZ, so I went to the auto parts store and picked up whatever I thought would work best. So I ended up finding Chemical Guy's cleaner. So I'm just going to show you how that works, cleaning my side-by-side and then also the truck, and just kind of see how that stuff works. I power washed my YXZ yesterday, but it still looks really dirty. You can see a lot of dust and water spots everywhere. So usually I would use SC1 to get it looking shiny and nice, but I bought a case of SC1, but it's packed away in storage because we're moving. So I've always wanted to try this Chemical Guys stuff here. I got the synthetic quick detailer and then the inner clean interior quick cleaner. I've always wanted to try this just because it looks so cool. I mean, the colors are awesome and their logo and everything, it's just a really cool design. It's fairly expensive, but I figured I'd give it a try. All right, first I'm going to try the quick detailer here where I have a lot of dust and water spots on this rear fender. It says you're supposed to spray it on and just wipe it off. That doesn't look too bad. I have this scratch on the rear fender, and usually SC1 covers it up pretty well, so I'll see how the quick detailer does. It lightens it up a little bit. Not bad. Now I'm going to test it on this black plastic. I'm going to see how well it works initially and then see how it dries, if it has like a nice like wet look, or if it stays black, or if it turns kind of cloudy again. All right, it looks pretty good initially here. We'll see how it dries. All right, I'll spray some of this quick detailer on the rims. And apparently the tires too. That's not bad. I really like how it doesn't have like bubbles or turn white, kind of like the Pledge did in my last cleaning video. All right, now I'm going to spray down my test rack box. Works really good on that black. Hopefully it stays shiny like that. The wheel wells on a YXZ always look kind of faded and dirty. I'm going to see how well it cleans these up. Terrible design right here. So much water gets through all these holes and so many crevices for dirt to get stuck in. So it looks a lot better. Hopefully it stays that way. Now I'm going to try it on the truck and see how well it works on actual automotive paint instead of a side-by-side. I have a lot of dirt left over. I just washed the truck and there's just a lot of dirt spots. I want to see if it cleans this up. This stuff definitely smells better than SC1. It's got like a kind of candy smelling scent, I guess.
A sweet smell.
Yeah. I'll just continue up on this fender, just see how one fender looks. I'll wipe it down. It looks pretty good. Really shiny. As it dries, the wipe marks kind of start going away. The road workers have been patching the roads a lot lately, so I got some tar up the side of the truck here. I'm gonna try to put this on and see if it touches it. I kind of doubt it because it's stuck on there pretty good, but I'll try it. It comes off okay. I mean, I don't know if it's my scrubbing or the actual product helping it, but it's coming off. It just takes a little scrubbing. Now I'm going to try this interior cleaner on my side-by-side. I just wanted to test it on the plastic. It's kind of the same plastic as on the outside of the machine, but I want to see if this stuff works any better. It's got a hard coconut smell. That is strong. It's a pungent flavor.
It sure is.
God, it smells like a tanning salon.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I've cleaned most of the interior of the YXZ. It does look better. As it dries, the fading is kind of coming back, and there's a lot of dirt and little cracks that is showing pretty bad. Some of the dirt spots are coming back. I mean, it does okay, but it smells like coconut so bad in here. I definitely don't want to do it inside of my truck. The exterior detailer definitely got some of the water spots out. It's got some kind of lines in it where I've wiped, and that scratch is kind of coming back in full force. And down here on the bottom, the black is just kind of going back to faded. I really wanted to like this stuff. I mean, it does pretty good at getting water spots out, but honestly, I think like a wet rag, maybe a chamois cloth would have done a very similar thing. I used, I mean, half a bottle, and I mean, it looks very similar to before I started. Yeah, this stuff smells good, but yeah, I mean, I guess if you're in a pinch, it looks cleaner, but I think even the Pledge did a better job, even though it's not made for cleaning cars or side-by-sides. I don't know. Not a big fan on the side-by-side, at least. All right, as you've seen, the Chemical Guys cleaner works pretty well on like painted plastics, and it works decent on the truck. It really doesn't work good on like black plastic. It just kind of doesn't do anything on those. The quick detailer, it smells really good, and I would probably buy this again if I needed to clean my car, but not my side-by-side. I won't. I'll go back to SC1 for cleaning that. This inner cleaner, this stuff smells so bad. You can see I only used a little bit of it compared to the quick detailer. It's got such a harsh coconut smell, and I like coconut, but I do not like the smell of it all that much, and I'm not going to use it in my vehicles for sure, so probably won't buy that again. It did an okay job. I think Armor All works just as good for a little less money, so I probably won't buy this again. I kind of debated whether to post this video because it didn't work out all that well, and I really want, you know, Chemical Guys to succeed. Not that my videos would have any effect on them. I think they're a cool brand. They have really great logos, really great graphics on their stuff. I mean, they put a lot of time into this. It's got, you know, cool colors. I just wish it had worked better. I've heard really good reviews about other Chemical Guys products, and maybe I'm not using their products, you know, exactly as intended, because I'm using them on off-road vehicles that are pretty dirty, and this is more like, you know, just kind of dusting off a car sort of thing. So I'll definitely try more Chemical Guys products, but as far as using these again on cleaning my side-by-side, I probably won't do that. So if you like this video, maybe check out some of our other videos on the channel. We have a lot of side-by-side content, quads, snowmobiles. I have an amphibious coot as well. Just a lot of off-road stuff in general. We do riding, maintenance, some tips and tricks, cleaning videos like you've seen today, and a lot of modification and accessory videos. If you could, maybe subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. We're getting close to 1,000 subs, which is really exciting. But thanks for watching. Have a great day.